Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Facebook keeps stopping problem on all Samsung Galaxy and Android devices. The first thing that you'll need to do is go into Play Store and you want to search for Facebook. From here, you want to check if your app needs updating. But if it doesn't need updating, the next thing that I would recommend that you do is close out of Play Store and go into Settings. Then you're going to scroll down and you're going to select Apps. And from here, you're going to tap on the search icon in the top right hand corner. And you're going to search for Facebook. Then you'll scroll down and select Storage. And you're going to select Clear Data. After you have tapped on Clear Data, you will come out of app and then you'll restart your device and see if Facebook is still giving problems. If it isn't, well, this has solved your problem. But if it is still giving problem, the next thing that I would suggest you do is go into Settings again. Then you're going to scroll down and you're going to tap on Apps. And from here, you're going to search for Facebook again. And once you have selected Facebook, you're going to scroll down and you're going to tap on Force Stop. Then restart your device again and see if the problem is still there. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.